Kementeri ketenar ke koi ke kia ke kong Ampareen ling do ke khat santering mentau benai. Kala let Jurip ke cancer wing jong ke Shillong Civil Hospital. Hak ni ke jing let Jurip lai don lang ru ke hek tenar ke koi ke kia ki doktor ke cancer wing bar kiwe. Hak ni ke jing let Jurip ke kong Ampareen kala ngap thu berwat jing tip ye ki jing bak ni ke cancer wing ke don kam.
Has been a big eye opener for me personally. I am aware that there were a lot of unanswered questions about when this cancer institute in the civil hospital complex become fully operational. And as you yourself saw that, tremendous efforts put in to ensure that we are reaching out to patients across the board, across gender, across ages and age groups, because it has now been established that cancer is one of the biggest killers in the state of Meghalaya. The team of doctors are well versed with what is needed to get done, and they are well prepared and preparing forward to ensure that we upscale the facility of this cancer institute as well. Because of the jargon that will probably be a big hurdle for me to explain properly, I think we should give them an opportunity to explain this facility to the people of Shillong and the state of Meghalaya more efficiently. I think they've done a very good job, and the government has also come up with a mission, a cancer mission. Now, the very fact that we call it a mission is because we have to combat cancer as a disease on a war footing if we want to address this big problem that the state now is faced with.
We have the cobalt machine, I told you, and we're getting the linear accelerator. See, the building, everything from the government side is done, but then the funds, as you know, is being sponsored by the Department of Atomic Energy. And when the MOU was signed, at that time, the Department of Atomic Energy has given the entrusted Tata to do the tendering for the machine. So we cannot, that we have no say in the procurement of the machine. But of course, we hope that tendering is already done, because they are not only tendering for civil hospital, they are also tendering for several other centers. So if there are hiccups in any centers, then obviously ours also get affected. But hopefully this is the final tender, and I hope it is done within the next 4-5 months. But it is beyond our control because it is not being done by the state government.